Go. Is that what I have to do?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to our TED Talk. My name is Lamu and this is
King Hanny. What's good? What's poppin'? What's shaking?
I don't know why they gave us this ram.
Let's do it. You can do it. Let's do it. Let's go.
I'm gonna die. Ladies first.
Oh, but I'm no lady. I'm a king. I'm a king.
She cussed. Okay, I'll start. Where in Tanzania does my dad live?
Oh, good. Would I definitely know this question?
Yeah, I'm always talking about that place I go visit in Tanzania where my dad lives.
Dodoma or Mwanza?
You have to pick one. So pick one.
Mwanza.
Yeah! Okay, so your turn, right?
Okay. Start with the easiest. Let me let you pass this, okay?
Uh-huh.
What's my favorite pet?
Your favorite what?
Pet.
Pet.
Yeah, like animal.
A dog.
What? Just take your shot now.
What is it?
Now. I'm supposed
You hate
none.
cats.
None. I don't
I
like
was
any
gonna say
animals.
none.
Jesus. Okay. So
Okay.
next, no? Let's go. Do I put this under after doing this?
How long was my longest relationship?
Oh, I guess 4 years.
Wrong. 5.
Fine, I was close.
I feel like I talk about that a lot. So
I was close. I was close.
Your
Okay.
turn.
What is my favorite drink?
Like alcohol?
I just said, what's my favorite drink?
Alcohol.
I bet you got it. You pass that. Let's go.
My turn, yeah?
Yeah. Your turn.
Oh my god, I'm so boring. Okay. My type of guy is 2 things.
Okay.
2 things. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Just mention those 2 things.
Oh, your type of guy is
Yeah.
stupid. Tall.
What?
Okay, wait. He's
Say,
tall.
look in the camera and say.
Tall. Dark. Tall and dark.
Funny.
Funny.
Yeah.
Nigga, the person you're saying now is not funny at all.
Take your shot.
Let's go.
Take 2 shots.
Fine. 1.
2 things.
I don't know who you
Cheers.
think you are with these randomized questions.
Uh-huh.
But not a short.
Yeah.
Oh. Who's my number 1? Maybe number 1. Who's my favorite artist in Uganda?
Fuck. Okay, I'm thinking 2 people.
There's only room for 1 answer. I'm sure you know this.
I do.
You do.
Okay, it's Cindy. No, it's Spice Diana.
Oh my god!
Who is it? A-Pass?
Oh my god!
Who is he? I really thought it was Cindy or Spice Diana.
Okay. Big Trudy!
Oh my god. I don't know why I didn't think of that.
You're so spaced out. Wow.
Ugh, fuck.
Okay.
I have,
Yeah.
or do I not have,
Yeah.
step sisters?
No, you don't, bitch.
I don't.
I passed that, yeah? What, is it me?
Yeah.
I think I'm like, okay, wait. Oh! What's my favorite color? What is my favorite color? What's my favorite color? So I don't disappoint you.
Black.
Yes!
Okay. Who made me last cry and why?
You want your daddy laundry out here in the business? Out here, people, you know? Okay, fine.
Okay, just use code names.
Okay. Who made you last cry?
Who made me last cry and why?
And why?
Mhm.
Okay. the last time I saw you cry or whatever.
You please use code names, cause
Yes, definitely. Man, you're just drunk and just you're just drunk and just crying, man. And it was one of your exes. And it was outside Bukolobi
I hate
market.
this game, honestly. I hate this. But no, the last time I cried was like 3 days ago.
Well, I didn't see you
I
cry.
mean, I cry a lot.
But
I could cry,
right now.
like right now.
Now. Like,
You could show me a video of
I should cry over cat.
a cat on the street and I would
Alone
cry.
crying.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting too hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off.
Hey, okay, let's go. Would I ever be polygamous? So, yeah.
Polygamous?
Poly.
No, I don't think
Not
so.
at a time, but at once.
I don't think so.
Never.
Yeah.
You want to take a shot for that? Say, I mean, choose your question.
Have I ever spread a rumor?
Oh, Lord! About what? Just have you ever spread a rumor?
Yeah.
Definitely.
What rumor?
Oh! Even about me, right? That I like girls. Me! You! You're like, I think Hanny likes, like, she might go that way.
But wait, no, seriously, doesn't Hanny give you like some vibe over there?
Let's speak. Do
I-
I give you vibes?
We be out and like girls are hitting on her and I'm like,
But like, it's not my fault. The ladies want some of this.
King Hanny.
King Hanny! No, but honestly, I like
I
dudes.
think
I like dudes.
I think I have. You guys.
I'm drunk.
Okay, which Ugandan celeb do I think would get away with murder? A celeb. It could be a TV presenter. It could be a Twitter person. It could
Okay,
be
I know,
a
I know.
manager. It could be
Oh, okay. Yeah. Would get away with murder, or like would commit murder. Just
would
get away.
He would do it and would get away.
Oh,
Bro,
I
I'm always
think-
saying this shit.
are you?
Yes.
Okay, I think you think.
Wait, honestly, sometimes we actually synchronize. Like,
Exactly.
okay,
That's
but
right.
seriously, what?
Okay, fine. I think. You think. Like celeb. Are they your friends?
I
Just give me
guess.
one hint. One.
Like not friends, but like yeah.
You know each other.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just drink big.
I'll just say Big Chew.
No,
Because I love him.
it's not. You guys, in case I go missing after this interview, it's because of this statement.
Okay.
No, I did not say it.
Just say it.
No, I
Say it.
Okay. I love you, Jeff Chua, so much.
Oh
I
my God!
think you could
How?
actually get away
How
with
did
that.
I think you? You're always talking about it.
It's so bad. It looks like cow.
Like, come for me, I'ma kill
Come
you.
for me.
Nigga, I'll kill you.
So I love you though. In case you see this.
Cheers, Jeff Chiwa. This for you.
Have I ever had a one night stand?
Definitely. You wanna hear about that? Huh?
Honey, just do not tarnish
Don't worry.
my name.
I got you. So
Because-
this bitch. We're out vibing and shit, and then she suddenly leaves. She's like, "You guys, I can't take it. I need to go now." She goes. She comes back in the morning. Hustle.
She needs to drink. I feel like that is not the story.
Okay, should I tell them how you left the guy in the bed and picked up your boots and ran to make sure like he didn't hear you? You want me to like say specific? You want me to mention details? It was your hot girl summer, no?
Yeah. She's actually right. I don't even know how you know that story.
Wait, I know
Oh my god, I talk a lot.
You talk a lot.
God. So our final questions. Tell me.
Whisper.
Do I masturbate?
Are we supposed to answer these things honestly?
You've not been answering honestly.
No, I have, but like I'm asking until this point.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, we should take a shot.
We just take a
It's our
shot.
last. our last like.
Okay, fine. Just take a shot. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't even know how it feels like. How long has my longest dry spell been?
Shit.
You definitely won't.
I
know.
can't know.
You can't. Come on, just take a shot. Guess. Okay. Guess.
We 3 months.
True. Yes!
I feel like we're pretty like.
Give me a. Give me.
We're like low-key
Give
soulmates.
me. I love you. Mwah. We came.
We saw.
We played the game.
We conquered.
We will be back for sure. Yeah? Y'all need to get up on it. You need to like join this shit. It's fun. It's fun. I'm drunk. Thank you for having us, I Know Media. Thank you, Code 256. We loved it. We're drunk as fuck. We love you.
Shout out trendsetters. Shout
Africa.
out my boy over there.
I'm King Hanny. This is Lamu, Queen of Patas. Shout out to my Karen, though.
Shout out to my Karen.
Shout out to our Karen.